speech and my speech starts from
शांत हो जाइए।
once Abraham Lincoln said that the best way to predict the future is to create it. So with this quote, I want to hello everyone. My name is Saurabh. I am pursuing a BCom from Allahabad University, and here I am doing data entry, which comes under Triple C. So first of all, I want to thank everyone for giving me this opportunity. And today I am so glad that it feels like privilege to me. So a fresh start of 2026, and I want to share some of my learning of 2025, which will help you in 2026. So first learning is be a kintsugi. How many of you know with this word kintsugi? Have you ever heard this word? Kintsugi. Okay. So in Japan, when things are broken, they fix it with gold, silver, and any shining material. And after fixing it, it becomes more gorgeous, more stunning, and more beautiful, and priceless. So people, if you are broken by everyone, come up with becoming kintsugi of yourself. Second learning is through a story that is, it is a Greek mythological story, which is once a craftsman named Daedalus made wings of wax, yes, which is used in candles, and for his son Icarus, and warned him that do not fly too high. And everyone stopped him that do not fly too high. Icarus ignored everyone, and with enthusiasm, with excitement, he just flied too high, as close to the sun, and his wings were melted by sun. He started falling. While falling, there was a big smile on his face, and he fell into a deep sea. So people, I want to ask a question that what is the moral of the story? What is the essence of a story? Have you ever get it? Anyone? Okay. So why I'm here? I'm here to tell you. Okay. So the essence of a story is while Icarus was falling, there was a big smile on his face, which shows that he did not have any regret in his life. He did what he loves to do. So people, I am here to tell you that do what your heart says you to do, and do what you are made to do, and ignore everyone who is stopping you from doing that. So here, sir and ma'am, I want to thank you for giving me this kind gesture and showing humbleness. So people, here I want to tell you that about my ma'am, like sir ma'am. I don't know where is she. So when she was taking her class for the first time, so she said that I'm new here, I'm inexperienced. So from that day to till now, I think we never have seen her inexperienced or improper. She always teaches us like a pro, and effective teaches us. And in recent times, I just asked one question that is related with the data and character. She went home, asked so many people, and come up with the proper note written on in paper, and just taught us. So we should clap for her, like she completing her efforts. I'm here talking about Sahar ma'am. Sahar ma'am. So we should clap for her efforts and appreciate her for giving, for taughting us. So people, in 2026, be a kintsugi of yourself. Be a Icarus of yourself. And make 2026 one of your best year ever. And with these kind words, I want to thank everyone for listening to me. And it is a great pleasure for me to be here. Thank you very much.